This is going to shock you, but I sold my Amazon brand. That's right. I lost over $250,000 last year, and I decided somebody else might be able to run this better.
I have so many questions.
I chose the wrong products, and I paid the consequence of that. Ask yourself, how much money am I willing to lose to prove myself wrong? I bought the dream house with the nice cars, money in the bank. I've got 5 kids in a pile. There is something that is far greater than all of that, and that is
Stephen Pope.
International thought leader. He's a former reporter who founded
one of the fastest growing Amazon agencies.
My Amazon guy.
He is known all over the world.
Who's an expert on Amazon.
I've never seen the Amazon community so upset. Amazon's going to continue maximizing its investment. We saw this in every sector, from railroads to oil to when Walmart put all the mom and pops out of business. Our only chance at Amazon being knocked off monopoly status is the I can't believe I have to say that out loud.
Is Amazon still a gold mine?
I think it's up for debate. Just show up and win aspect is gone. There's no way you could just pick a rando product and throw it up on Amazon and make money. You have to. In the blood of good Amazon sellers, tenacity and grit. And if you don't have tenacity and grit to overcome you're done. What I discovered over the last 6 years of running a $20 million agency is that.
Listen to the full episode on our YouTube channel or wherever you consume your favorite podcasts.